nice to see you again. Are you ready to actually dive into Power BI now? In this part, we are going to set up Power BI desktop together and take a quick tour of interface. We will walk through how to install it, and I will also explain the difference between Power BI desktop and Power BI service, which is the online version. Yeah. Once we are in the tool, I'll guide you through the interface, the ribbon up the top, the fields and filters, maybe, and the visualization pane. We'll also look at the core components of Power BI, things like dataset, reports, dashboard, and workspaces. Don't worry, I will share my screen and you can follow along step by step. After this section, you will know exactly what is the Power BI and how to get started with Power BI and feel confident navigating around. All right, before we actually install Power BI, I want to explain something really important. Actually, Power BI has two versions, Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service. They sounds like similar, but they are actually used for different things. Let me break it down for you. First, Power BI Desktop is the tool we use to build report. So you install it on your Windows computer, and it's just where we do all the heavy lifting, like importing data, building chart, and writing DAX formulas. So what about Power BI service? Power BI service is the kind of web platform. So think of it like a place to share and view reports. So after we build a report in the Power BI desktop, we can publish it to the service. So others like your teammates or your team leader can access it online. So we can think of like this. Power BI desktop is for creating and service is for sharing and viewing. Also, just a quick note. Power BI desktop only works on Windows. So if you are using a Mac or MacBook, you're mostly just viewing things in the web-based service. So for the next class, you need to bring your window and then we can install the Power BI desktop. All right, finally, let's talk about how to install Power BI desktop. So I think it's super easy. So I think I don't need to explain, but we can just go to Google and type it, Power BI desktop download, or you can just click this URL. So I go to Google and type in Power BI, and then just click here. Yes, you can access this Power BI the web page. And then can you see the screen like Power BI desktop here, as I mentioned before? So there are two buttons. First one is download now and the other is advanced download options. Actually, these are exactly same, but if you click download now, it will go to the Microsoft Store. Let's click it. So you can see this message and open Microsoft Store. So in this case, you can download in here, but I don't know why my computer doesn't work in here. So actually, I just go to advanced download options. So yeah, you can just choose it. It doesn't matter at all. So here, click it, and then just a little bit go down. You can see the download button. So click here, you can just download it. So we will wait. Actually, there is a history for the Power BI desktop, but I just deleted, remove the Power BI because I just want to show how to install it with you guys. So once it downloads, just click it and follow the step and install it like any other program. So you can choose the language and then click yes. So we need to wait a little bit. You can choose the destination folders, but I don't want to change it. So, and then you can just click here, create a desktop shortcut and install. Yeah, it takes time, but it's not that much, so we can just wait it. Okay, finally, it's all set. So finish, click here, and then it's automatically open the Power BI desktop. So yeah, finally, yeah, we can access the Power BI desktop. If you can see this screen, like me, we are all set. So maybe next session, we will create a Microsoft account for use this Power BI. See, you can see the sign in button here. So yeah, but if you have a already Microsoft account, you don't need the next session, but we'll see the next session. Okay, now we're finally create our Azure free account, right? But we have to do one more step. So because uh you know Power BI with a personal account like Gmail or Outlook.com, you can use Power BI desktop just fine. But when you try to publish or share dashboard to create workspace online, it doesn't work. Why? Because Power BI service require on the organizational account. So hold hold the work or school account. So I think after we create a Azure personal account, Azure pre account, um, we need to do one more step. So first we have to log in, sign in. So you can see um what we create before, just before. So click here. And then once your Azure account is ready, go to Azure portal here and search for Azure activity. Yes, once you Azure account is ready, go to the Azure portal and search for Azure Active Directory, I think. Or you can just go to just users. I think that's the one's better. Okay. We can go to users. Actually, I already created the new account. So yeah, I think you need to do the same as what I did. So click on new users here and then create a new user. And then you need to make a new account for the name. Just you can just do Power BI, and then um, you need to copy and paste this principal name and the password because that's the account when you sign in into Power BI, right? So okay, I'm gonna open my notepad. You can just copy here and then also password here. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, I just said this my account ID and then the password, and then go back to the Power BI, the Azure, and then we can just create also missing value. In basic, there's a missing values here. Oh, I missed the name. Or yeah, it's okay. You can just name anyone you want. Okay, just go and create, right? So I think you need to a little bit wait. Now this new account is creating, right? So go back to your Power BI and then we can log in. Okay. Okay, here we can move on to the Power BI and then let's sign in. We can copy and paste the email account what we create before, and then X and enter the password. That's the initial password, so you need to change. Yeah, you need to start with authenticator app. Actually, I already have a authenticator, but if you don't have, you need to download in the Google Store or Mac or App Stores, I think. Yeah, I just scan the image and they give me the number and then it's approved. Done. Yes. It may take a time because this is the first time to log in when we create a new account. Okay, all set. After that, if you setting everything, if you try to log in with your account, there is a they show your account here. There are some steps to get Microsoft Fabric free. So you can just add student, your phone number. Okay, get started. And then finally you can get a free account, right? Now you can log in to the Power BI web service here. And also if you go back to the Power BI desktop, you can just click, you can just try to log in. Now you can see there you can see the account, right? So after that, you can just create a new dashboard here. Yes. After that, maybe part 4 or part 3 something. I'm gonna explain how to publish your dashboard when you make a dashboard on the desktop to the web. So I think this is the very helpful when you publish your dashboard on the app. So this part is not that complicated, but there are some many steps Microsoft require. So yeah, you have to follow these steps and then you can get it. But if you have already student account or any organization account, I mean the like in office, yeah, maybe you can use that one. Yes, that's perfect. Yeah, that's it all for today. You can move on to the next session and see you there.